In the office, you might be working as part of a team, and if you lead that team, then you might want to be booking desks on behalf of your colleagues in a quick and efficient way. GoBright has a team booking facility. To access it, your system administrator will need to have added this functionality as part of your user role, and once done, you can go up to your own profile. You'll be able to go into Teams. You can create a new team. And you can start adding users to that team. And we can save. If we then return to our dashboard, when we actually go and search for a desk, then we now have a little team toggle. And if I put the team on, that brings up a splash screen and I can select the team I'm associated with. And we want to use these two users as part of my team, but I could also add someone else if I wanted to. And likewise, I might decide to delete Harriet from this. That wouldn't delete her from the list, it just deletes her from this booking. But we'll keep it as it is, and I'll proceed. And now I'm going to book. And we're actually going to select a range of desks just down at this bottom corner. So we're going to go for that desk. It's got that one. We'll have that desk as well. So I can now save that. And I'm now safe in the knowledge that my team have got their desks booked, ready for the day or weeks ahead. So team booking from GoBright.